Next, I wanted to elaborate on indirect corrective feedback. For this, the decision that the teacher has to make is whether they're going to give the exact location of an error or not. Typically, it is thought that indirect feedback is superior to direct feedback because it's guided learning and it involves student problem solving instead of just being given the error. It's also thought to lead to long-term learning or retention of a specific skill. However, by the same token, there has not been a difference shown in some studies between direct and indirect feedback. Again, this is attributed to what Ellis discussed at the beginning of this article, that there hasn't really been a good amount of systematically done corrective feedback studies, so there's not even studies to show the effects of indirect corrective feedback on future writings. Hopefully with this article and us looking at it, there will hopefully in the future be more studies on corrective feedback that are more conclusive.